Trust Wallet versus CoinDCX? Which is better? When choosing a platform for cryptocurrency storage and trading, the decision often boils down to two names: Trust Wallet and CoinDCX. These platforms cater to different needs and audiences, so understanding their features and purpose is crucial for Wallet, primarily designed, focuses on providing secure storage for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It supports over 4.5 million assets, including NFTs, and allows users to interact seamlessly with dApps and decentralized exchanges. Trust Wallet is ideal for those who value self-custody, privacy, and access to DeFi tools. It includes features like staking, token swapping, and Web3 browser support. Additionally, its user-friendly interface makes it suitable for both beginners and advanced crypto enthusiasts. CoinDCX, on the other hand, is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange tailored more towards trading and investment. It offers access to over 500 cryptocurrencies, advanced trading tools, and educational resources through its CoinDCX Learn platform. With a focus on security, CoinDCX uses multi-layered encryption and insurance-backed storage for its users' funds. Its standout feature is the integration of fiat on-ramp, allowing users to easily deposit INR and start trading. CoinDCX is particularly appealing to Indian users due to its seamless UPI and bank transfer options. It also provides features like futures trading, margin trading, and earning through staking, making it a go-to platform for active traders and investors. When it comes to security, both platforms excel, but with different approaches. Trust Wallet emphasizes self-custody, meaning you control your private keys. This ensures maximum privacy and independence, but places responsibility on the user to secure their wallet. CoinDCX, as a centralized platform, offers custodial services with advanced security protocols, making it more beginner-friendly for those wary of managing private keys. So, which is better? If your focus is secure storage, DeFi interactions, and full control of your assets, Trust Wallet is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a feature-rich trading experience, especially if you reside in India and need fiat compatibility, CoinDCX has the edge. The choice ultimately depends on your crypto goals, storage versus trading. Both platforms are excellent in their respective niches, so select the one that aligns with your needs.